I'm Jason Culpepper, and I can't wait to tell you what's new at Progressive Foam. Since we added film-faced products to our product offering a few years ago, our product development team has been racking their brain and testing a bunch of different options, all in an attempt to create true breathability in our fan fold and sheathing products. We had no idea how challenging it was going to be, especially considering that there's a lot of products on the market that already make vague claims to permeability. But what we found was that it takes a lot more than just poking holes in the film to make a film-faced product truly breathable. Thanks though to the focused and relentless efforts of our product development and engineering teams, we finally figured it out, and our premium series fan fold and sheathing products are now truly breathable with the highest perm ratings of any fan folds or film-faced products on the market today. But you know, we didn't stop there. We know that it takes a lot more than great product features to delight and really help our customers. So you need compelling talking points, engaging, hands-on demos to show prospects that you are the only choice for siding. Now, breathability is vital on every siding job. It shouldn't be optional. And to explain that effectively, you just need to show prospects three things. First, that moisture buildup in your walls is real and significant. Two, non-permeable, non-breathable materials lock in that moisture. And three, permeable insulation products let the moisture escape. So to help you communicate those three things, we've created a simple tool that we call the Stay Dry Glove. So, hey Mike, you want to come in here and try on my Stay Dry Glove. There we go, stretch out your fingers. There we go, thank you. Now in recent years, moisture management has become a very hot topic in the building science community. If moisture gets trapped in your walls, it can create mold and mildew, and it leads to a compromised structural integrity in your home, in your walls, and even medical conditions for the people who live in the house. Did you know that the average family of four generates 4 to 6 gallons of water every day through basic activities like cooking, bathing, and even just breathing? So when you add insulation to a home, it should really tighten up the building envelope in order to reduce energy loss and lower those utility bills. But when you tighten up the envelope, you also have an opportunity to create moisture problems. Products that are great insulators could be great vapor barriers as well, which is not good in an old home. Contractors who are true siding experts know that they should never put a vapor barrier on the outside of an old home. They know that those walls have to breathe, and they know how to tighten up the envelope while still letting it breathe. PFT's tried and true siding insulation products that have been around for over 20 years have always helped protect against moisture concerns because we designed them to be breathable. However, traditional fan fold and sheathing products on the market made of XPS or even EPS with film facers are not breathable, and they leave homes at risk of moisture damage and mold growth. So if you don't like taking unnecessary risks, then you're going to love this because PFT has invented the Stay Dry technology. It's a proprietary manufacturing process that makes insulation 3 times more breathable than comparable products. With superior perm rating of at least 2.5 on even a film-faced product, now flat foam products can help protect the home from potential moisture damage as well by letting water vapor that's generated inside of the home escape. Now, let me ask Mike. Come on in, Mike, how does your hand feel?
Kind of clammy, a little humid in there.
Yeah.
Starting to get damp.
Yeah. Yeah, so is that the way that you want the inside of your house to feel?
Certainly not.
Yeah. All right, so while I've been introducing you to the Stay Dry technology, Mike's hand has actually been releasing water vapor into the air. As you can see, moisture started to accumulate on the inside of that plastic bag, and his hand feels damp because the water vapor can't get out. This simple demonstration shows how breathable products allow invisible water vapor. You didn't realize your body's kicking off this vapor, but it is all the time. It allows that vapor to escape, compared to non-breathable products that can trap vapor in the home, like this glove, and lead to moisture problems like mold and mildew. So if you want your house to breathe and you want your house to not feel humid and sticky, then you need vapor permeable products. So breathability across all of PFT's product platforms, that's what's new at Progressive Foam. And if you'd like some more information on the new products available or on the Stay Dry Gloves demo, then please contact us at progressivefoam.com.